friends, you have made it to the final part 3 of our English conversation journey. आज आमे आमर conversation journey रा part 3 बा last part रे पहुंची जाई छे. And today we will complete all 50 daily use sentences. आज आमे 50 टी वाक्य को आज समाप्त करिबा and these final 15 lines are super useful and will make your English sound natural. Okay? And ए जो शेष 15 टी सेंटेंसेस रहला ता बहुत उपयोगी एवं आपन को इंग्लिश को नेचुरली कहबारे बहुत सहायता करिवो. If you missed part 1 and part 2, don't worry, the links are in the description. जदि आपण यार part 1 बा part 2 को देखि नांती तेबे बिल्कुल चिंता करंतनी एहार लिंक गुडी को आपण description रे पाई जिवे. So let us finish strong and speak English naturally and fluently together. ताले आज वीडियो को स्टार्ट करिबा एवं को स्ट्रांगली शेष करिबा एवं नेचुरली एवं इजीली आमे इंग्लिश कहबा. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. दया करी धीरे धीरे कहंतु. प्लीज स्पीक स्लोली. प्लीज स्पीक स्लोली. नाउ रिपीट विथ मी. प्लीज स्पीक स्लोली. एबे हमें देखिबा किछि कॉमन फीलिंग्स बा डेली टॉक. ओके मते जिबा को पड़िबो. I have to go. I have to go. मो सहित कुह. I have to go. मैं दुखित. I am sorry. I am sorry. एबे मो सहित कुह. I am sorry. तुम्हें खुशी तो? Are you happy? Are you happy? मो सहित कुह. Are you happy? आदौ नुह. Not at all. Not at all. Now repeat with me. Not at all. तुमे एहा को पुनरावृत्ति करि परिबो कि? Can you repeat this? Can you repeat this? एबे मो सहित कुह. Can you repeat this? एहा बहुत भलो. This is very good. This is very good. एबे मो सहित कुह. This is very good. मु जाने नहीं. I don't know. I don't know. Repeat with me. I don't know. कौन चली छी? What's going on? What's going on? Now repeat with me. What's going on? सब ठीक अच्छे. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Now repeat with me. Everything is fine. मु बुझी परलिनी. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. Now repeat with me. I didn't understand. दया करी एहाको पुणी कहंतु. Please say it again. Please say it again. Now repeat with me. Please say it again. Now some common questions. तुमर अर्थ कौन? What do you mean? What do you mean? एबे मो सहित कह. What do you mean? तुमे इंग्रजी कहूछ. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? एबे मो सहित कह. Do you speak English? मु भीतर को आसी परिबी कि? Can I come in? Can I come in? मो सहित कह. Can I come in? एहा तुमर कि? Is this yours? Is this yours? मो सहित कुह. Is this yours? कौन हैला? What's the matter? What's the matter? एबे मो सहित कुह. What's the matter? Congratulations friends. You have completed all 50 daily English sentences. That is a big achievement. एबे आपण केवल सिखु नांती. आपण निजर कॉन्फिडेंस सहित इंग्लिश कहउचंती. Step by step, confidently and naturally. And if you enjoyed this series, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment re likhantu. I completed all 50. and make yourself proud. And guess what? More exciting videos are coming soon with speaking practice, storytelling and much more. Until then, keep speaking, keep growing and let's make English a part of daily life together.